Divide the two fractions below and write the quotient in simplest form. Which of the following is the quotient in simplest form? So before I do anything else, I'm going to recognize that dividing fractions is the same. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So I'm going to write 1 over x plus 6. So that first fraction doesn't change. But then when I want to divide by a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So now I'm going to factor everything as much as I can. Hopefully I'll have some identical factors on the top and the bottom that can cancel. So I have 1 over x plus 6. That cannot factor anymore. X squared minus 36, that's a difference of two squares. So it factors to x plus 6, x minus 6 over 5. My x plus 6's cancel. And what's left is an x minus 6 on the top and a 5 in the bottom. That is option C.